name is Dennis Wakaba. I work with Rome Electric, an e-mobility company, designing and developing motorcycles and buses here in Kenya. Rome is a product company that looks at development and market fit products, and we try to localize our products by locally sourcing, say, bodies, glasses, spare parts, so that we also make sure that the product is affordable and accessible. We were founded back in 2018. We do also charging infrastructure deployment and renewable energy systems. One unique feature of this bus is that it runs on electricity, meaning you have to charge to move, and it's zero emission, meaning it's green, because we are talking about climate change nowadays. It does not have any tailpipe emissions. The other factor, it doesn't have an engine, so you don't expect to do oil changes, don't expect to do other filters, I don't know, other components related to diesel vehicles. So that's the unique feature. The other thing we offer is comfort, especially with the ride, with the silence, and also the seating configuration allows for passenger comfort. We are always eager to size a bus based on the range of that operator. For example, this particular one has been sized for city and shorter intercity operations of between 220 kilometers for mostly city operations. But if you decide to do highway, it can even give you up to 280 kilometers on a single charge. So essentially, if you tell us to size it for you, we know what to do, whether it's increasing the battery capacity or even modifying the entire frame to make sure that it fits for your use. Please follow us on our social media pages, and if you want to inquire about our products, whether electric motorcycles, electric buses, or solar and energy systems, we all over social media: Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and you'll be able to contact us, and our representative will reach back to you.